Today we're going to learn how to make a granola snack bar. This is completely healthy and it's something that will not ruin your diet. Alright, let's look at the ingredients that we'll be needing. Almond seeds, cranberry, dried raisins, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, melon seeds, as well as oats. Alright, let's get started. First up, add in 2.5 cups of oats into a frying pan, and we're just going to roast it. You do not need to add any oil, and just roast it for roughly 3 minutes until it's nice and hot. So you want to feel that the oats are hot, then you can take it out and keep it aside. Now add in the rest of the seeds, the almond seeds, sunflower seeds, the melon seeds, as well as the pumpkin seeds. And similarly, let it roast as well. After 3 minutes or so, you can take it out. Now these are all the seeds that I'll be using. Now we're going to chop them up. So adding it into a chopper, and I'll just let the chopper chop it just a little bit. We don't want it to be too fine. Alright, so just like this, we can take it out. Now we're going to melt the peanut butter and the honey together. So in a pan, again don't add any oil, add in 3/4 cup of honey, and now add in the peanut butter. I'll be using 3 tablespoons. Now just stir it. Let the peanut butter dissolve into the honey. Now add in oil, 2 tablespoons. And that's it. Once it looks like this, now you can add it into the oats. And just mix it all together. Now add in all the seeds that we roasted. Let everything come together. Now add in the cranberry and mix it in. Once that is mixed, we can now add in the dried raisins and just stir everything well. So it should look nice and sticky. Once that is done, we can add all of this into a baking tray. We're not going to bake it. Right, so once you've added everything in, just flatten it out. Make sure all the edges are covered. And you want it to be compact, not loose, so make sure everything is well put together and tight, very compact. So to make it easy, I'll be using a glass to really flatten it out. Then now I'm adding glazed cherry. So this is a nice topping that I really like. It's optional, you don't really have to add it in. And this is how it's gonna look like. So we're gonna pop it into the refrigerator and leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can see it is nice and compact. So we can start cutting it up and we can enjoy eating it. One important tip to note is if you notice when you try making it at home on your own, if it crumbles when you cut it, is because it is not hard enough or you did not roll it to be compact. So make sure you take note of that, and if you follow the steps, you can have a nice granola snack bar to enjoy at home. And again, thanks for watching. I hope you really liked it. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.